All right, good morning, Cryptoballers. It is 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are in the BitSeven trading platform. We are back in, remember, locked in 11,781. Second trade, 11,781. Okay, locked in that trade around 1029. Second trade at this level, right? Okay, and we are down to 11,735. Okay, however, as low as 733. All right. And we are still falling. Now, inside this trade, we saw some pops here. Could have exited the trade here with the first trade at 745, 11,745. That would have generated a 12% return. Buyers came in, waiting out these buyers on the second trade, holding on. Could have exited here at 743. Some buying came in here for 3 minutes, and then we're back down to the downside. Okay, remember that call right over here? 11,781. Directional trading. 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour are all trending to the downside this morning. Okay, the downside. Don't try, as a beginner, don't try to fight the trend. Okay, try and pick your spots following your 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour guidance. Okay. As you get better at calling entry and exit points, you can play a bump up like this. Okay, a rebound up and get 10, 12%. Get out, just grow your Bitcoin, okay? But right now, still in the beginner sessions, we are really just talking about simple directional calls, entering and exit a trade. Okay, later on, intermediate levels, we're going to get into some ways in which you pretty much can protect through protecting your trade. Things like measures you can take like that at 1x that'll allow you to extend your cut loss. Okay. Well, we're well out of the cut loss here, right? We're down. So 739 in this trade. Okay. Now you can play it to where you decide this was that last point. If it rises back to that point, go ahead and exit it out. Capture your gains at 11,745. That's going to generate you another 12% return. Or you can let this run a little bit. You could have gotten out here at 728, 11,728.29 at 11, right at 11, okay? And that would have been at least another, probably a 30% trade, okay? That's two opportunities. Remember, inside of this trade from here to here, you've had 1, 2, 3, 4 exit points, depending on where you are on the scale of aggressive, conservative type trader, okay? But we're in this already. Based on this, I'd wait to see in terms of what the third minute look. 3 minutes of buying, boom, down. 3 minutes of buying, boom, down. 2 minutes. What happens with this candle? Okay? Probably going to be a third minute of buying. We want to look at like that fourth minute. If it turns red again, let it roll. Okay? Because remember, you have this wick down here. Okay? It tells you that it could go, it could test. They've already sold it down to this level in the last 2-3 minutes, right? There's your wick. Okay, there's really not that big of a top wick. See the length of that wick? The wicks are narrowing. This right here, right now is probably a 60% shot. We're going back to the down. Okay? Except for the width of this candle here may allude to another candle to the upside. And if that was to occur, that's when you would want to exit, okay? Because you're more likely to get a nice little pop up here. Go ahead and get out. Let it run a bit and then come back. Remember your 2 hour, your 4 hour, and your 6 hour. Capture another down trade, okay? So that's when you get out. Back out at that 748 level. Exit the trade. Take the 12, 13%. Okay, if you're still in the trade. If you got out here, fantastic. Okay? But that's really where you're at, all right? And it's an easy trade. There's that fourth one, okay? All right, like, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more trades this afternoon.